process in achieving this goal, tourism department also plays a key role. Most of you might be aware, few of the countries globally, especially in the Middle East and Asian countries, they don't have any other resources other than sea. But still they could achieve now their purchasing per capita income is much higher than most of the countries. So we are lagging behind, not only Telangana, in the entire country. It is a most neglected sector. Now, our government, our Chief Minister focusing on this tourism. Definitely, first of all, I once again thank the participant because your contribution also is there. There are many we did not create basically for attracting tourism. We have many wonderful structures, forts, monuments, temples, and scenic beauty. So like that, there are many.